Block Inc., formerly known as Square, is an American financial services and digital payments company. It was co-founded by Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey in 2009. Block operates two major segments, Seller and Cash App, which offer a range of financial services from payments processing to small business lending. Key features of Block include its flagship point-of-sale system and the Cash App. The point-of-sale system allows businesses to accept debit and credit card payments using a mobile device, while the Cash App lets users send, receive, and invest money. Block also offers business loans through Square Capital. Block's pricing model is transaction-based. They charge a fee for every transaction processed through their systems. The standard fee for swipe, chip, or contactless payments is 2.6% plus 10 cents. For manually entered transactions, it's 3.5% plus 15 cents. They also offer custom pricing for large businesses. Block is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses needing an easy-to-use point-of-sale system. It's also great for individuals who want a convenient way to send and receive money or even invest in stocks or Bitcoin. Businesses seeking a quick and simple loan process may benefit from Square Capital. One major advantage of Block is its ease of use. The interface is user-friendly, and the setup process is straightforward. It also offers a comprehensive suite of business tools, from inventory management to sales analytics. Plus, its microloan program provides accessible funding for small businesses. Despite its benefits, Block has some limitations. Its transaction fees can be high for businesses with small ticket sizes. Their customer service has also been criticized for being hard to reach. Lastly, while their loan program is accessible, it may not be suitable for businesses needing large loans. Key takeaways: Block provides a comprehensive financial solution for small to medium-sized businesses and individuals. It's user-friendly and offers a range of services from payments processing to investing. However, it can be pricey for small transactions, and their customer service could be improved. Thank you for watching our analysis of Block Inc. for stock. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stock analysis videos. We appreciate your support.